Hey guys, this is Khadeen Akbar and you're watching Grow with Khadeen. In this video, I am going to review Bluehost web hosting, why this web hosting is best for WordPress, why this web hosting is best for beginners, and why you should use this web hosting if you are a WordPress user. Before I just get into the review, I just want to make an announcement, and if you want to get $300 word tools just for free, you just have to watch this full video. These $300 word tools are very important for creating any type of website, and these are necessary tools for creating website. So if you want to get all these tools just for free, this is not a giveaway, everyone watching this video will get all these tools, and if you want to get these tools just for free, you just have to watch this full video till the end. And if you want to get about 65% discount on Bluehost with free domain name, you just have to watch this full video. So if you want to get these promotions, you just have to watch this full video and you will get all these promotions. And one thing more to include, if you want to save $100 per month using Bluehost, $100 per month, these are all the things that are legit and you will get these things. And if you want to get $100 per month, save $100 per month, you just have to watch this full video and you will get all about Bluehost, and you will just get all about how you can save a lot money. So watch this full video till the end, and I will be providing all the information to you just for free. So what you have to do for me is you just have to go to my channel below the video, and you just have to subscribe my YouTube channel and click on bell icon if you want to get videos like that. And if you subscribe my YouTube channel, it would also motivate me that my create videos are creating some value, so I would create a lot videos like that, including WordPress tutorials, online earning tutorials, and reviews. So if you like the video, please just hit that like button, comment me down, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Now comments is open for you. If you have any question regarding WordPress, Bluehost, or any question regarding online earning or online business, you can just comment me out. And if the question is personal, what you can do is you can just reach me out on Instagram, or you can just reach me out on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp is given in my about section, so you can just reach me out there. So let's just stop wasting your time and we'll get into the review. So first of all, we'll discuss ratings about Bluehost, what giants are saying about Bluehost. So I have collected ratings from three big giants in hosting and WordPress and web development section. So first of all, we have wpbeginner.com by Syed Balkhi. You might have listened about him if you are a WordPress or a hosting guy or web development guy. So they have given 5 stars on Bluehost. Second one is website tooltester.com. So they have given 4 stars. And if we go to PC Mag, they have given about 4 out of 5 stars. So this is excellent rating. So this is what giants are saying about Bluehost, and the giants are saying that thing about you, Bluehost. So you have now idea that why I am reviewing this Bluehost web hosting, and why I am telling you that why Bluehost is best and everything about that. So now that we have talked about its ratings and reviews, now let's just talk about why this web hosting is best for beginners. If you are new to WordPress, you are new to web development, and if you are not a techie guy and you want to create a website, why this web hosting is best for you and why you should use this web hosting as a beginner. So the first reason this web hosting is best for beginners is its UI. Guys, believe me, Bluehost dashboard is awesome. I have been using Bluehost for about 1 year and its dashboard is awesome. You don't have to be techie, and there are a lot apps by Bluehost. You don't have to install WordPress on it or other apps on it manually. Bluehost just install automatically for you, and they have just built-in features. They have like wizards that install WordPress for you, that just set up WordPress for you, and that they just do everything for you. They have SEO apps that just do SEO by themselves for you. If you want to connect CDN or if you want to do any techie stuff, they have pre-built apps for you, and these apps do everything for you by themselves and you don't have to do anything. So that's the number one reason Bluehost is best for you. Now, the second reason Bluehost is best for beginners is their customer support team. You can see a chat section here. So, why Bluehost customer support team is best? Let me just tell you. I have about 1 year of experience in using Bluehost. So, I don't have to do anything. Bluehost customer support do everything for you. And that's the thing I was telling you about, that how you can save about $100 per month. Now I had websites as a blogger, and I have my websites got errors, my websites got hacked. I had to do a lot changes in WordPress, and it just cost me about $100 per month hiring freelancers on Upwork, Fiverr, and all these platforms. So now till I am been using Bluehost, or we can say that I have been upgraded to Bluehost. What the I do is, I have to make any change, I just go to customer support team and they do it all for me. So I just don't have to spend about $100 to $200 per month on website maintenance, and I just don't have to pay any maintenance fees, security fees, or anything, because Bluehost customer support team is doing everything for me. Bluehost security team is doing everything for me. And after we have discussed about support team, let's just discuss about Bluehost performance and uptime. So there have we have a screenshot here about Bluehost uptime report. So you can see they have previous year they have about so just let me zoom in it. So oh sorry. So here you can see that we have about 3 hours and 52 minutes downtime for whole year. We the website, the Bluehost hosting was down about only 4 hours previous year. So they have about 99.96% uptime, and their max response time is 977 ms, and their minimum response time is 528, and average is 688. And this is an awesome response time by Bluehost. And if we go to their page speed, so their page speed varies between 660 and 720, and oh no, 740. So they have awesome speed, and they have awesome downtime and uptime. So you don't have to worry about the performance of you the Bluehost and SEO about about SEO performance or security about of Bluehost, because they have just a lot great features in them regarding security, regarding speed, regarding performance, and you just don't have to worry about them. Now just let's talk about the Bluehost pricing plans, how you can get discounts, and what are Bluehost pricing plans, and how you can get these Bluehost at 65% off with free domain name. So first of all, let me just tell you that how you can get $300 word tools for free. What you have to do is, you just have to go to link to get discount, sorry, to get discount, 65% discount, and free domain name. What you have to do is, you just have to go to webifydhub.com/bluehost. So there is the link you can see, and you will also get this link in description below. You can go to description and can go to link, or you can just type in webifydhub.com/bluehost, and you will be redirected to this page. After you will be redirected to this page, you can see it's about 65% off with free domain name. And what you have to do is, you just have to go to get started. And now we are going to discuss the pricing plans, and let me just tell you how you can get $300 worth tools for free. So this is simple. If you go to from this link, if you go to website and you buy the hosting, you just have to comment me out that you have bought the Bluehost web hosting from this link, and you have to mention your Instagram ID or your WhatsApp number, and you have to contact me on WhatsApp or Instagram, and you just have to send me the screenshot of or proof of you have bought the web hosting from my link. So I will share with you these $300 for tools just for free, believe me. So let's just talk about the pricing plans of by Bluehost. So they have if we scroll down, so they have 4 pricing plans in WordPress section, because this hosting review is for beginners. So and you might be beginner if you want this hosting, or this I let me just recommend you, if you are a beginner, this web hosting is best for you, and if you are a beginner, you must buy this hosting. So these are the plans for creating WordPress or PHP website, any type of website, but especially WordPress website, because this video is dedicated to WordPress. So if you want to create a WordPress website, they have about 4 plans, and we will discuss that which plan you should choose, and for which type of website which plan is best. So first of all, we have the basic plan in which is about $2.95 per month, and you because you are getting about 65% discount and free domain name. So you can see it was normally it was about $8.99, but now you are getting it at $2.95 per month. So if we go up below, we can see top features. You can create one website with that, 50 GB SSD storage, and custom themes. You can use any theme, and 24/7 customer support. So you are saving about $100 per month. And website builder available. There is WordPress integration. You can just install WordPress in one click. You have AI driven templates and drag and drop functionality. These two are Bluehost builder functions, so these are not necessary. And we go below, we have a free domain name, free CDN, and also free SSL certificate. Now guys, these two things are technical. If you don't know, free CDN just boost your website speed by about 30%. So you have about free CDN, and to integrate it we have to do a lot propagation. And on Fiverr, if we see for CDN integration only, people just cost $100, $150, $200, $50. So the Bluehost is integrating this CDN just for free, and free SSL certificate also. So guys, the second one is Bluehost Plus and Choice Plus. These are quite similar with that. So first of all, what biggest thing we get is unlimited websites, unlimited SSD storage. In basic plan, we have one website with 50 GB SSD storage, but there we have unlimited websites and unlimited SSD storage with Plus and Choice Plus plan. This is the one thing we have different from a basic plan. And second thing is we have Office 365 free for 3 days, free domain privacy, and free automated backups for 1 year using Plus and Choice Plus plans. So these are quite similar. The difference between them is they have it has free automated backup and free domain privacy, and it don't have, you have to buy that. And second thing is it's normally about $16, and it's normally about 12 16 $17, and it's normally $12, but now you are getting at same price. So I would recommend to buy and go with this pricing plan, because this pricing plan would be best for you. I will also tell you that which pricing plan is best for which type of website, but let me just talk about the features of the websites. So the last but not the least is Pro plan. It is $9.50 per month. Now you have unlimited websites, unlimited SSD storage, and optimized CPU resources if you want to create a high quality website which have a lot user base. So this plan is best for you because they have optimized, and you can create unlimited websites on that. And if we go below, they have a free dedicated IP address also, and these are some things different from other websites from others. So if you want like a high quality websites, you have about 3 to 4 real estate type of website, or these type of you are a e-commerce guy and you want to build e-commerce stores, a lot e-commerce stores, 2 to 3 to 4 2 to 3 to 4 are okay with that hosting plan. But if you want to create about 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 e-commerce stores, you can just go with this one hosting, because they have optimized CPU resources, and they have also a free dedicated IP address. So this hosting plan is best for you. So let's just discuss that which hosting plan you should choose, for which hosting plan is best for which type of business. So if you are a business owner and you just want to create only one website, and you don't need any other website, you are just doing your chores and that's only the requirement, so this web hosting is best for you. Or you just want to create only a website, this might be any type of website, the basic plan is best for you because it only includes one website, and you have about $2.95 per month. And if you are a freelancer creating website for your clients, and every client needs exact other website, so you can recommend that hosting plan to your client, or you can buy the hosting plan for your client. Now second is Plus plan. Now if you are a blogger, if you want to create a blog, a lot blogs, because blogger don't have only one blog, I am also blogger, I have a lot blogs, about 4 to 5 right now, but I have seen bloggers who have about 15 to 20 blogs, and you must have 15 to 20 blogs to make your living, and it's easy to set them up. So if you want that, you just can use this plus plan, or choice plus. It's on you, but I would recommend this choice plus because this is something awesome. So you can use this choice plus or plus plan, because these plus and choice plus plans include a lot things, and you can create about unlimited websites, about 15 to 20 websites on one of my Bluehost hosting package, which is plus plan. I was using plus plan, and on that plan I have about 9 websites, including 2 to 3 e-commerce stores. So all websites are working well, and the link to website I have given you is also on that hosting plan, so you can see the performance of that website also. So if you have a blog, if you want if you are a blogger, or if you have 2 to 3 e-commerce stores, you can use this plan, or you can use this plan if you just have if you want to create real estate websites or these type of portal websites, and you just have a small customer base, about 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 visitors, and you just have something like that, 2 to 3 websites. So this plan is best for you. But if you are an e-commerce guy, e-commerce giant, and you want to create a lot e-commerce stores, or if you want to create a lot blogs, about 30 blogs or 40 blogs, because rankings matters a lot, speed matters a lot for rankings, so this plan is best for you. So these were all the things, and I hope I don't have missed anything. So if you have any question regarding Bluehost or web hosting or web development, you can just ask me in comments. And that was all about video, and if you want full review on Bluehost, I have given the link to the Bluehost review below. And if you want something like web development or digital marketing services or SEO services for your business, I am always here for you, because I am a digital marketer as well as a web developer running a web design and digital marketing agency where we provide web design and digital marketing services. So if you want, because you are buying a hosting and you don't know how to create a website, or you are getting problem in creating a website, you can just hire us. You can hire us on Instagram, or you can just comment me out, or you can just reach me out on WhatsApp, because I have given the WhatsApp number also in the description below. And I have also given links to promotions and other discount links. You can also buy other things with the promotions given below. And if you want to see similar videos like that, and you want to grow as a freelancer, or you want to learn how to create beautiful WordPress websites, web hosting reviews, themes reviews, you can just subscribe to my YouTube channel, and click on bell icon. So share these videos with your loved, and share with your loved ones who just want to create websites, and they are struggling with web hosting. They need a better web hosting. You can just share the video with them. And if you get we have also affiliate program. If you get someone to our business for web development, if you get web development client or SEO client or any type of client for us, there is 20% commission for you. And for more queries, you can just Instagram me or WhatsApp me. I will just give you the details, and other details are given in the first comment, and you can just see the comment, and you will get all the information. Thank you so much, and thank you so much.